Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 4 handbag organizers. If you're a seasoned subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Carla and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Okay, so first we're going to start off with the word of the day. And the word of the day for today is adventurous. Be adventurous, guys. If you want to try something different, go out and do it. If you want to go, I don't know, skydiving, go out and do it. If you want to try a new career, then go and check it out. Meaning not automatically leave your job and go check it out, but find out more information. Get that ooey gooey feeling that you feel where you're just like, okay, I'm gonna do it. Just be adventurous and try new things. So first I want to start with my first handbag organizer, which I've shared like in the beginning of my channel, which was last year. I shared my Neverfull, which is a very classic bag. I do know that Louis Vuitton at this point has already upped their prices 2 times. So if you're considering getting a Neverfull, I would highly recommend that you do this now because these prices continuously go up. So like I said, if you're considering getting this handbag right here, then go out and pick it up. So I want to share with you guys the handbag that I love when it comes to the Neverfull because it just organizes every single thing in my handbag. So this is the organizer that I use in my Neverfull. So it's really big. I have pretty much everything organized. Let me see if I can show you. This is the big pocket that's literally right in the middle. And then on the outsides of this organizer, you have this pocket right here, this one right here, this one, these 2 on the sides. Normally you can put, or usually you can put like maybe a bottle of water here and another bottle. Let's say you use your Neverfull as a diaper bag. Maybe you can put your child's bottle in another spot. And then on the other side, it's pretty much parallel to the other side. So you have another pocket here, one here, and another one here. And then on this area, right on the organizer, there's another pocket right here, which is very handy if you have a tablet, if you want to just hide extra papers, which is actually what I use this for. I just stick extra papers in here, and I just have like my flight tickets and stuff like that in this area. But yes, I would definitely recommend this organizer if you have the Neverfull. This one is from the Original Club, and I'll have it linked down below if you want to check it out. And I cannot stress this enough. If you want a Neverfull, and I do have it in the GM size, I apologize if I didn't mention that, pick it up now because I feel like these Louis Vuitton prices are just going to continuously go higher and higher and higher. So the next organizer I would like to share with you is the organizer I actually use in my Toiletry 26. I'll have the video linked right here as to how I use the organizer. Like, I use it to organize the items in my bag, but I also use it to make or turn my toiletry into a crossbody shoulder type of bag. So the organizer that I have in here, I picked this one up from Amazon. So this organizer is actually for the Neo No Way, so the Louis Vuitton Neo No Way. So this comes actually in a pack of 2. So I just use this in my Toiletry 26. And one thing I didn't mention with organizers, so I use it, 1, to organize my bags, but secondly, I use it to just give my bags structure. So if you take a look at the toiletry, see how it's just, I don't want to say flimsy, but it's bendable, right? And then it just kind of just comes down like, I don't know what you would call that, but it kind of just sits down like that. But the second I put the organizer in there, it just gives the bag structure. As you can see here, see how now it's just a structured piece, like it's no longer drooping down on the bottom here. It just looks more structured. So I like organizers for that reason as well. Like I mentioned, I got this one from Amazon. I'll have this linked in the description box down below. But this also has pockets in this area right here. So if you wanted to put maybe your cell phone, papers like business cards, say you're out and you have business cards, you can put them in here. And then on the opposite side, same thing. So you have a pocket here, one here, and then just a solid, sorry, I have papers in here. So yeah, it just has this one big open area right here. This is where I put like my phone and like cards, also papers. A lot of things fit in here because it's just an open area, and like I said, it just keeps it organized. And I chose the red. This does come in different colors. It comes in pink, it comes in this beige color. I chose red only because I wanted that pop of color, so that's the only reason I chose the red. The third organizer I would like to share with you all is the organizer for the Louis Vuitton Nice Mini. So I picked this one up from Samorga, and I will say that they have it for the Nice BB, they have it for so many other of the Nice pieces. So if you like this organizer, which I'll share with you guys how it works and how it looks, you can definitely check out Samorga. I'll have that down below as well in the description box. And I do have a 20% off discount code, which I'll also link down below. But this is how the organizer looks. As you see, I went for the beige color to kind of go with the interior of the Nice. And I love how this is separated. So you have an area here. You have these two little square rectangle pockets, and then another bigger area right here. If you want to see what I fit in here and how I organize my pieces in here, then you can check out my Louis Vuitton what's in my bag video, which I'll have linked right here. But a key thing that I want to show you with this organizer is that this is removable. So this piece right here comes right off. So if you didn't care to have it like that separated, if you just wanted a piece or an organizer to just protect the interior of your bag, then you could wear it like this and just remove this piece. I, however, like having my items just placed in a certain spot, and I tend to just leave my pieces there so that it's easy for me to grab. Like if I reach into my bag, sometimes without looking, I'll know exactly what I'm grabbing because I put my items in a specific spot for pretty much a reason. So yes, if you wanted to remove that, you could remove it, and then you just put it right back in this Velcro spot, and just like that, you have your organizer back like how it was. This one also comes in different colors if you wanted to just change the interior of your bag. I think I've seen it in pink, red, blue, magenta, so many colors. So check out that link in the description box. Lastly, the fourth organizer that I want to share with you guys. So far, I've shared 3, and they are from different places. Like I said, the GM, I got that one from the Original Club. For the Toiletry 26, I just picked that one up from Amazon. For the Nice Mini, that is a Samorga organizer. And then for my Karagommi, this piece right here, I did pick up an organizer. And the reason why I picked up an organizer was, I'm not sure if you saw my unboxing of this piece, but I mentioned that I wanted to turn it into a handbag. So I picked up an organizer so that I would be able to, 1, just keep the interior nice and clean, and 2, so that I could turn it into a handbag. So this organizer that I picked up, I've never used this brand. However, it was a brand that, pretty much the only brand that I saw that created the inserts or the organizers for the Karagommi. So they also make the inserts for the monogram print as well. This one, however, is specifically for the Karagommi. So this is by Handbag Angels, which once again, I'll have linked in the description box down below. I believe they're based out of England, if I'm not mistaken. Please don't quote me, but this, I believe, is from England, and this is by, once again, the Handbag Angels. So this is for the larger piece. which if you look at the interior, see how it's that baby pink? This one goes right in here. I will say that this is a little big, so if you do decide to pick this up, do know that this is a little big. The customer service for Handbag Angels, because I did reach out to them and I mentioned, you know, your inserts are a little big, so they ended up sending me another one. However, it was big as well, so I think it's just that they created these inserts a little too big. So the concept is amazing. I love the concept, but just know that these are a little big, and their customer service is really good. Like, I won't say great, like it took a little bit of time. Like, I reached out to them, I DM'd them, which is how I found them, and they reached out immediately. But the second I kind of had, not a complaint, but like the fact that I mentioned that it was bigger, they automatically redirected me to the website or their email. But I will say that they did send this to me, and it got to me, like, I want to say within 3 days. So like I said, England to the United States, this got to me in 3 days, which I think was great. It was really quick. And if you see right here, it has the openings, and then what they do, they send you this little piece right here which holds the bag chain. So they send you a silver bag chain to match the hardware on the piece, which is silver. So you just literally put it inside of this area right here, inside of the hole here, and the other one right here. You insert that into your bag just like that. Bring this back, and this has a pocket right here. So this is the large insert, and then behind of the insert or organizer, there's just this little pocket right here, and you close it, and just like that, you have a handbag. So this was exactly why I picked up this organizer, and it does come with 3 of them, so I'll show you. So you get the large pink one, and then you get the blue one, and this is for the medium size, and it does have the Handbag Angels logo right here. And once again, you could turn this into a handbag. And then for the smaller piece, which holds cards, this also comes with an organizer to match the interior. So this one is red. I will say there's nothing that fits in here, so you'll have to put your cards and everything behind of this organizer. But once you put it in, you can now turn something that had no way to make this maybe a bag charm, or I don't know, maybe you can put it on your belt loop if you want to just use it as a way to just hold your cards and make it easier to hold it this way, which is why I like the key pouch. Then you can do it like that. But yes, you'll just have to put your cards behind here, but I love, love, love the concept. But yes, guys, those are my top 4 handbag organizers. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Remember to be kind to yourself, be kind to others, love yourself and love others as well. See you in the next video.